Rĩu mami wa Theo nĩakorwo akĩheana details nditũ mũno ndeto cia kĩeha mũno itarũĩyo cia ũrĩa kwahanĩkire that fateful day that their son passed away while at mũthoni wa Wakirumba's home. Mĩario aria na gũtiga nginya mũthoni wa Wakirumba agĩtĩkwo nĩ Maithori. Mami wa Theo akiumbura mwana ũyũ nĩ mwana ũrarĩ special mũno kũrĩ we amu nĩ mwana agĩire na ũritũ mũingĩ mũno. She had just lost her father when she had him na ndonaga ta megũtobora, but by God's grace they were both able to come out of the theatre alive. Na nĩ mwana arakoretwo akĩrerera we mwenyewe akiumbura niwe wireragĩra ciana ciake, and she is not a bad mother at all. Na mũthenya ũcio mathiĩte kwa Wakirumba matiathiĩte ikenero ũguo kũratuĩkaga, mathiĩte nĩ ũndũ wa ndwari ya baba wa mũthoni wa Wakirumba, and very unfortunately mũthoni wa Wakirumba was the last person to see the baby alive. Na kana gaka ũguo kũratuĩkaga atĩ anga no wakonire ke maĩ-inĩ. She has revealed that she was actually the one who saw baby Theo in the pool. She, the mother, saw her own son in the pool, and it was the dad who pulled him out. Na atetiria mbere mwana ũcio gũthiaga maĩ-inĩ akĩonania the son may have been fond or versant with swimming. No akiuga we ona ndakoragwo social media-inĩ, no maũndũ marĩa marario nĩ maramũkinyĩra, na ruo rũrũ aragerera nĩaugĩte nĩ ruo atangĩerithiria nginya acio maramũruma, acio mararia mĩario mararia nenda-inĩ. It is a pain that no one should ever have to go through. Na rĩu we nĩ ta gũthika athika baba wao rita rĩa kerĩ. Mĩario arĩtie ena ruo mũno na akĩhoya andũ matigane nao, andũ mareke macakaye mwana wao na thayũ. It is not easy at all, and she only wishes God will get her through this very dark and painful moment. Waliguo akorwo akiuga na akiheana tribute yake to baby Theo.
Hello everyone.
Good afternoon.
Murega.
Turiega muno.
Kirago, or baby, was a very special child to me. Not that Tender is not. But in the year 2023, I lost my dad. And we were so close. And I didn't think I would make it or pull it through. I did not. But I was pregnant. And I didn't want to really know the gender, but I think God knew what I wanted. As we were talking with the dad on Tuesday, the whole journey with Theo was not easy. It was one of the toughest pregnancies I carried. I went, I don't know, because I was mourning or whatnot. But on that day, on the 5th of August, him and I, they almost make it out of that delivery room. The pain was so much, I don't know what happened, but I was out. But I heard one of the nurses calling the doctor and saying, "Hi, doctor, these contractions they're too high, 1,000, no human can take that." Then they were asking me, "How are you feeling?" I was so numb from head to toe, I wouldn't explain how I was feeling. The doctor came in, you would see he was scared as well. He just called the nurses outside. I asked them, "Is it okay? You just open that window, it's too hot." And then I asked if my husband can come back in. I looked him in the face and told him, "I'm scared. I'm really scared." I would see he was also in fear, in shock, because he could see even from the doctor's face. But then, at some point, I saw my dad smiling, saying, "Mommy, you can do this. Mommy, you can do this." And somehow, I did it. And we both made it out. I am a good mother. I am a good mother. Nini ndereragira ciana, nini ngomaga nao, nini ndimathambagiria ndiikagirwo mau mothe. I do it myself. I'm not on the social media, you are posting or you are saying things. But I am not on social media. I've never posted my life on social media. I've never been on Facebook and I'm not on Facebook. In everything, I can never wish what I'm feeling right now on even any of the people who are attacking me and my son. On that 5th, Maithori, see my son. And unfortunately, she was the last person to see him breathe. It was not that wathiete kou niguo tuone baba wao. Tutiare ikenero uguo muraigua ni ikenero. And Sunday is a family day. Tutithia tukorwo twina ciana. Yes, I have help at home, but we choose to go with just the kids. Please, I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know what it is you're talking about. But for the sake of even my husband, please, 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 let us mourn in peace. Leave us alone, please. Na niĩ angĩkorwo no therie nĩ niĩ ndonire mwana wakwa maĩ-inĩ. Niĩ ti mũndũ ũngĩ, niĩ. I, the mother, saw the baby in the pool. I mercy did. And the dad is the one who pulled him out. I did. Mwana ũcio ti rĩa mbere gũthiaga maĩ-inĩ. Ti rĩa mbere, ti rĩa... But please, please, going forward, let my family mourn in peace. Ndĩrathika rĩtwa rĩrĩ maita merĩ. It's not easy for me. It's not. No, Ngai. Ndĩmũhoi. Ona ciana ciakwa kanitha nĩciũĩkaine. On that 5th, I would feel something was off. Twari kanitha, I called Father Emmanuel and he's here. I told him, I'm going to be admitted today and I'm scared. Please pray for me. He went back, dressed up, told me, come to the adoration chapel. And on that fateful week, my son passed on Sunday. Father Emmanuel are gwitu mushi utuhoera. Ndĩrairwo kanitha na ngonie ciana ciakwa njĩra ĩyo. You never hit a man when he's down. You never. You never